welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today I'm here with a little Temu haul. Yeah, kind of small, but that's okay. I kind of like to keep them short so that we can kind of look at the items, and also I don't want to leave like 50 links for you guys down below. So I feel like it's better if I just do like 10 or 12 items at a time, and you know, that's easier for me and easier for you, I think. Plus you're not sitting here watching an hour-long video. Not that you wouldn't want to watch for an hour, but you know. And my nails are not done. I'm letting them breathe a little bit because they are really bad. I really jacked them up because of my own fault. I just decided to pull them off, and that was probably like the worst thing I could do, so ignore those, okay? All right, let's just get into this. It's super random, super random. I hope I wrote prices down. Pretty sure I did, but you know how that goes. Not saying it's going to be the same price if you go to look it up. I also will try and put the like item number down below with the link too, because I guess if you're outside the if you're outside the United States, my links don't really work for you. So I guess an ID number does. So I will do my best to put that number down there so that everybody can find the items. If you hear the cats, they're doing, I don't even know what. Okay, let's just start with this. It's a hair shadow powder. $2.71. I bought this a gazillion million times from Temu. Also, none of this is local warehouse. It's all regular Temu items. And I use this for my eyebrows because I just stamp on my eyebrows with a little stencil. If you guys have seen my Get Ready With Me videos, you'll know I do that. I got it in color number 28, which kind of looks like maybe like an auburny brown type of color. I'm not sure. But this is a nice little box. Kind of nice. I'm a sucker for packaging, you guys, but this is what they look like. They all kind of come in this type of container right here. Yeah, I was hoping there was like an actual color name on here. It just says natural color. Hair Rich Shading Powder. Oh, it's a very like, I sometimes like to get these cool shades. It's like a really cool brown kind of shade. And then on the bottom you get this little sponge applicator if you're doing, you know, your hair. I mean, you could use this for your eyebrows too if you wanted, but I have like another stamper I use for my eyebrows. But yeah, this is the color. It's kind of like a ashy brown, which actually it's really good color. It's like an ashy type of brown color. So that'll be really nice for me because it's not super dark. So yeah, I really like that color. We'll definitely be using that because I've been using the Mad Love brand. Which they actually have a stencil set as well, but it's way more expensive. Like the Mad Love with the stamper is like 22 bucks, and this was like $3. So I just keep my stamper and my stencil and rebuy the powder. Saves a lot of money, but I do really like that color. I do really like that color, so that's excellent. And I think I got these for my makeup room. They are just scented garbage bags, okay? I paid $6.12 for them. You get 50, which seemed like a lot to me. Let's see if they actually even smell or what they look like. Or maybe they didn't smell it. No, they do smell. They do smell. I think they were supposed to be like lavender, I would say, by the packaging. But they don't really smell lavender to me. They smell more... I don't know. Not lavender. I would say more floral. Which, not that lavender isn't a flower, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm not getting overwhelming lavender. I'm just going to take them all out. So this is what they look like. They have a design on them, which is kind of cool. But they're just for like a little, you know, 13-gallon type of... Well, it says lavender up here. Oh, wait. It's only on one side. I'm sorry. Here, I thought I was showing you something. So this is what they look like. They definitely have a smell, but to me it's not lavender. It's just kind of florally in general, like a general floral. But I'm just going to use these for my makeup room to like put stuff, you know, garbage in, obviously, or the bathroom. So you get 50 of them for $6.21. I didn't think that was a bad deal for some reason, for scented bags. And the other thing about them is they've got these nice little, you know, the loops at the top so you can pull them tight. So I don't know. I don't think that's a huge bad deal. 50 bags for $6. So yeah, those will be going upstairs in the bathroom and in my makeup room. I probably need to get another trash can for my makeup room because it's just not big enough. It's just not. Okay. Then I got these makeup brushes. These were only $1.25, you guys. So let's take a look at these. Let me cut this open. So for $1.25, you get this little, it stinks, but it's like suede on the inside and it's kind of like a leathery on the outside. So you get like a little pouch, which is kind of nice. And then you get these brushes. They're definitely eyeshadow brushes, which I need. I don't have a whole lot of eyeshadow brushes. And to be quite honest with you, I really like the Temu ones. So let's see what all we have here. And I'll probably keep them in this little pouch so I don't lose them, depending on how they work for me. But they look pretty decent. So you get these 5 brushes right here. And this one is a very like thin type of brush. It's like a flat top brush. And then you get this one, which is kind of like an eyeliner or eyebrow type of brush. Then you get 2. These look kind of the same. I mean, they're very, very similar. They're like fluffy eyeshadow brushes. And then you get this round kind of smudge brush. So, I mean, really, that's about all you need for any eye look. This one looks a little bit angled. This one looks more rounded, if I would have to say. But yeah, I mean, they come with a little pouch, and they were only $1.25. So $1.25 for 5 eyeshadow brushes and the little thing. Again, I feel like that's a bargain. Okay, this must be nails. Yep, they sure are. These were $4.15 when I bought them. I love these. I got them in a large. They also came with 2 prep pad wipes, the glue tabs, and a orange stick and a file. So $4.15. I think these are really pretty. And I definitely need to do my nails, so. But this one right here is like a cream color, and then there's like this gold. It looks like a snake. Okay. Or, I don't know. Look at the little eyeballs on it. Do you see the little eyeballs? Here's my snake finger. No, I don't know. Like, it looks like a little eel or something, but they're cool looking either way. Like, nobody would probably notice that if I wouldn't have pointed it out. But I like how they have like a little bit of glitter around the edge of this one as well. They're just really pretty, so I really like them. With the eel or the snake, you know, hey, it's a fad, I guess. So anyway, $4 for those. Not sure if I like using the wipes, but I usually don't use the nail tabs just because I like to glue mine. But I don't know, I might use the nail tabs this time because I really messed up my nails. And I'm sorry I'm playing with my hair, but it's work hair. It's been in my face all day and it's irritating me. Okay, this is, I'm not too impressed with, but it was only $1.69, so what do I expect, really? It's a necklace. Is it a necklace? No, it is definitely not a necklace. But it's like a purse charm type of thing, but it's just very cheaply made. This is all plastic beads and the plastic heart. If this was metal, like if this part was metal, then it would be really cute, but it's just really cheaply made. I mean, again, it was only $1.69. So, but it's like a purse charm type of thing. It's cute, but I mean, from afar, you probably wouldn't know that it's plastic. But I don't think I'm going to be using this. Like, I have so many really nice pearl, like faux pearl glass necklaces that I could probably turn into some type of a purse charm. And it would look really good because they're glass pearls instead of cheap plastic. But we're talking about Temu here, you know. So $1.69 for that. I would not even bother. I would not waste your $1.69 on that. Unless you're okay with the plasticness of it, which I'm not. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, let's move on, shall we? So this was $1.28. It looks like maybe a eyeliner or brow pencil. It says eyeliner pencil, so we'll see here. I've been looking for like a waterproof eyeliner. Yeah, it says silky waterproof eyeliner. if you can see that, in the color 02, which is like a brown, I assume. So it's, yeah, it's like a gel eyeliner type. Ooh, this is nice. This is very nice. I like the way it glides on. Like, look at that. It's nice and dark. $1.28. I will probably go back and get more colors of this. But very, very silky. And supposedly waterproof. So, yeah. Nice. I would definitely be trying that out. So that's really nice. For $1.28, I like that a lot. Very, very impressed with that. Okay. Then we have this for $3.61. Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Nasolabial. Nasolabial Fold Patches, you know, for like right here. Because I'm getting old right there. So we're going to start using the old Nasolabial Fold Hyaluronic Acid patches. Ooh, they look juicy. There's a lot of stuff going on in there, and there is a lot number on the back and like an expiration date, so that's kind of nice. The main ingredients water. It says there's glycerin. There's a whole crap ton of. There is niacinamide in here, hyaluronic acid, collagen. So there's a bunch of ingredients, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 of them. Does it say you can use them daily, or it says can be used 2 to 3 times a week? So, I mean, one pack for $3.61 would last you like 2 weeks. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not bad if it works, right? So, we're going to try and plump up this right here. This is an area I hate the most, honestly. I've never smoked a day in my life. Like, I don't smoke, I don't drink, none of that. But I do drink through a straw, which I feel like that leads to some stuff too. So, I don't know. We will try these. I mean, why not, right? For $3.61. So, I'll keep you guys posted on this. I will make notes to go back through and like maybe do a little get ready with me with some of this. So yeah, we will check those out. So again, those were $3.61 and you get 5 patches. So I saw this and I just had to have it because it was Barbie, you know, and I love Barbie and I love pink. So this is like an unbrush and it was $3.78. Now I love this style of brush, especially if you have wigs or, well, I would just say definitely if you have wigs. But how adorable is this comb? It's like an ombre type of effect. It's like darker and then it goes lighter. It comes with the Barbie tag. So I mean, is it actual Barbie merch? Maybe. There is a UPC number here if you take this off. This is really nice tag too. It's almost like plasticky. So I don't know. I mean, is it actual Barbie merch? I don't know. There's even it even says Barbie on the handle right here. But I love this type of brush because there actually you can brush through your wigs with this. I'm going to take the tag off because I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using this for sure. I have a feeling I wouldn't doubt that this is sold out by the time I post this. Just because it's got the name on it, you know. But really cute brush. Like how adorable is that? But this like kind of moves and it's got some nice wide teeth on it. That's what it looks like, but I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, I mean, even when you brush wigs, it's good to use the wider tooth comb on them. You know, or wide tooth comb or brush, I should say. So that's why I actually like these on my wigs. So yeah, if you wear wigs or you just like to brush your hair, you know, really nice brush. If you've never used the unbrushes before, I highly recommend them. I have several of them, but yeah, I really like this one. I just thought it was cute, so that's why I got it. I liked it. Okay, next up is this little packet. It was $2.23. It says gray. Okay, $2.20. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's like a little keychain type thing. So $2.23. I thought it would be cute on a little purse. Again, this is plastic, not metal, but it's got, you know, a little clip right here. And then it stinks. It smells like glue and everything else. But it's got this really cute little bow. And then it goes down into this big tassel right here that's like kind of leathery, pleather looking. So that's what it looks like. I just thought it was cute. Cute little purse charm or keychain, you know, whatever you want to use it for. So I don't know. I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. Kind of cute. So we might keep that or give it away. Who knows, right? Okay. Last but certainly not least is this sweater. I will show you guys a picture of what this looks like on the model living her best life. I thought maybe I was going to get it in time for 4th of July or Memorial Day, but that didn't happen. So, yeah. So what's coming up that I could wear? I guess I'll have to keep it till next year. But I have had this sweater before in like a different pattern, or I think maybe it was like all this color right here, like this beigey grayish kind of color. But I got it in a 4XL. Don't know why, but I love oversized. I like to wear like a tank top under these and like make it like oversized and kind of slouchy. So it was $11.62. And as you can see, was there a piece of boutique paper in here somewhere? I thought I saw it. Yeah. You know, keep all the wetness out. This is really cute. I like the print on it. It's got kind of like big, batwing type of sleeves. It looks like an American flag. Really cute, actually. I really like this. I would wear this right now. Like, I don't need a 4th of July or Memorial Day to wear this. But I'm wondering, what color would you guys wear under this? Like, would you wear like a nude color cami? Or, I don't know. But it's really cool, isn't it? Kind of long and kind of boxy, but I love that about it. I love like how the sleeves are real boxy and then they stretch at the end right there. But the print is really cool, isn't it? I don't remember if they had it in like white with this color or if it was just this like cream color, but I really like it. I think it's adorable. So I will put a picture up again. I've probably put a picture up already of the gal living her best life, but yeah, I think it's really cute. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel, you know, polyester-y or anything. It probably is polyester though. I mean, who knows, right? Let me see if I can find the tag, if there is one in here, to see what it's made of. Okay. It is. It's 100% polyester, you guys, but it feels like knit. But it's very light as well. So, I mean, I really like it. I think it's great. I like the way the print looks too. I mean, you know, love it. Live, laugh, love it. Okay, so that's a keeper, I think, okay? All right, you guys, that was it for today. I know that was like super duper short, and I'm sorry, but I don't want to keep you guys on here all day, and I just kind of like to come on, say hi, and show you a few things that I've got that I'll be using. So please like and subscribe if you like this type of video. Also, this Sunday will be the 2nd episode of my wig videos, my beginner wig series. So we're going to get a little bit more in depth with some things, you know, you're going to need right out of the gate. We're going to do like head circumference measuring and all that kind of fun stuff. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye.